Welcome back. Welcome back to the medical abbreviations class. Myself, Mr. S. Shankar, Department of Medical Laboratory Science, School of Medical Allied Sciences, and Galwati University. Our course name is BMLS 1004. The course name Medical Terminology Record Keeping and Orientation to the MLS. In medical abbreviation, today we can discuss about A to Z medical abbreviations. Let's see. Course objectives. After completion of this course, student will able to explain our introduction of medical abbreviations, A to Z medical abbreviations along with examples. In introduction, healthcare professionals often quickly scribble notes with the important medical information that they would like a patient to reference in regard to type of current or recently diagnosed disease, syndrome or other health conditions. The doctors and other healthcare professionals commonly use a list of abbreviations and other medical terminology as reference to the rapidly search and accurately record information about and give the instructions to their patients. My dear students, in this slide, we can learn about medical abbreviations related to J and K. The J medical abbreviations, JT. JT means the form is like a joint. Example for the joint, elbow joints, shoulder joints. Next one, medical abbreviations related to K. K, potassium. The simple code like a code is the K. K is potassium. This potassium means this is one type of the electrolytes frequently monitored regular in intensive care. Who are the admitted in the ICU? Regular basis they are checking the electrolytes. One of the electrolytes is the potassium. Next one, KCl. KCl, potassium chloride. Generally this term you are using in the biochemistry laboratory. Potassium chloride. And here medical abbreviations related to L. You can see here LCIS. LCIS. The full form of LCIS, lobular carcinoma insight. Lobular carcinoma insight, a type of breast cancer. This is the breast cancer. The patient who are the receiving treatment for the lobular carcinoma insight. Mostly in females breast cancer it can be happen. Next one, LBP, low back pain. LBP is one of most common medical complaints after 35 years age. Everyone getting lower back pain. We can call lower or low back pain. The continuation of medical observations related to L, LLQ, left lower quadrant. Diverticulitis pain. It is often in the LLQ of the other abdomen. It's the quadrant. It means one of the part in the abdomen, because abdominal region divided into 9 regions. The quadrant is one of the example. Next one, LUQ, left upper quadrant. The spleen is located in the LUQ of the abdomen. Okay, this is the, when we are going for the anatomical study of the spleen or anatomical abdominal organs, the 9 regions we have to use. That is one of the example for the 9 regions quadrant. Lights. Lights is nothing but electrolytes, potassium, sodium, carbon dioxide and chlorides. Mostly who are the treated with the ICU intensive care unit, doctors will mention here in the prescription lights. Simply they tick on the lights. It means the 3 like A, B, Z, you have to test it. Medical abbreviations related to M. MCL. MCL, medical collateral ligament. This is the one of the ligament which are present in human body. Okay. Next one, mg. You know very well this one, milligrams. And m by h, medical history. If you went any outpatient or inpatient department, if you are admitted or by your relatives, anyone is there, can check it, the prescription slip, they are written m by h. That is a medical history. It means previous any abnormality like a fever, cough, cold, general symptoms is there or not, they are mentioning m by h. ml, milliliter for the measuring, and MEP, mitral value prolapse. Prolapse means the mitral value is one of the part in the heart. Here we can see medical abbreviations related to N. N by V, N by V, nausea or vomiting. It's happen when it is happen, nausea and vomiting, when you are recorded this one, like symptoms, when you went to the hospital, the primary symptoms is called the vital signs. In the vital signs they are mentioned this one, nausea is there or not, vomiting is there or not, height, weight, temperature, everything they will mention. Like in the patient clinical history or present history also, the present condition also they are written. Next one, Na. Na means is the one of the electrolytes, that is the sodium, and essential electrolytes frequently monitored regular in intensive care unit. And NCP, nursing care plan. NCP, nursing care plan, this is the decided by the doctor. When the doctor visited to the patient, he is mentioned in the prescription NCP, nursing care, what she have to do, the nursing, what she have to do during the patient observation. That is the NCP, the short form. Here we can continue with the N medical abbreviations. NPO, nothing by mouth. It means we cannot give any medicine or food through the mouth. For example, some patients undergoing to the surgical operation. During the surgical operation, they required general anesthesia. They may be required to avoid food or beverage prior to the procedure. Because of due to the anesthesia, he unable to take the food. That's why they simply mention nothing by mouth, NPO, by the doctor or MD general surgeon, MS surgeon. Next one, NSR, normal sinus rhythm of heart. This is mostly ECG report, electrocardiogram report, they mention NSR, normal sinus rhythm of the heart rhythm they are checking. Medical abbreviations related to O. O and P, ova and parasite. Ova and parasite means when the patient infected with the diarrhea, okay, that time we are going for examination of the stool. In the stool, the ovums, parasites ovums or parasite adult, if it is present or not, we have to mention. Like you can see the point, the stool O and P is the tested in the laboratory to detect any parasitic infection in person with chronic diarrhea. Next, OD, right eye, OS, left eye, OU, both eyes, ORIF, open reduction and internal fixation, such as with the orthopedic repair of the hip fracture. Okay, when the hip fracture, hip joint replacement, they are going for the written like a ORIF, the open reduction and internal fixation, something they are putting inside of the joint for the fixture, like some the reduction purpose. Okay, right. The medical abbreviations related to the P, simple single P. If there any prescription slip, there in the P is there, that is the pulse. Pulse is recorded as part of the physical examination. It is one of the vital signs. Next one, P on the top of the one dash is there, that is the after meal. The P, the dash is there after meal. Any tablets or any medicine the patient need to take after meal. They mention like this symbol. And next one PO, P dot O dot, by mouth, from the Latin terminology per voice. Okay, like a PO, by mouth, anything. You can take the medicine by the mouth, or you can take food by the mouth. P dot O dot, by the mouth. Next one is continuation of the P medications, medical abbreviations. P dot R dot N dot, P dot R dot N dot, as needed, so that it is not always done, but done only when the situation calls for it. For example, taking a pain medication only when having the pain and not without pain. That is the required. When it is required, when it is needed, that time only we have to use. For example, headache, the patient having the headache, that time only you need to take the medicine. Otherwise, it's not possible to continue medicine like a daily morning or daily evening, daily afternoon. That code is P dot N dot or R dot N dot. Okay, P or N. PCL means the posterior cruciate ligament. Posterior cruciate ligament, that is the back side. The posterior means the back side. That is one of the anatomical terminology. It continuation same PD, progressive disease. The patient at risk of developing progressive disease of the kidney, including those with the proteinuria and hematuria. Means urine contain protein and blood, proteinuria and hematuria. So increasing the condition, continuously progressive disease, PD. Next, PERLA, PERRLA, PERLA, pupils equal, round and reactive to light and accommodation. It means it's related to eye testing. The eyeball, the testing eyeball, the reactive to the light, how it will be reaction to the light, or if the round shape is there or not, eyeball they are checking. The same continuation with the last slide. PFT, pulmonary function test. The lung capacity is good or not, the oxygen capacity is taken, intake is good or not, the normal or abnormal, the pulmonary function testing, how much it will be taking the gas inside, how much is the respiration they are releasing, everything they are testing. A test to the evaluate the how well the lungs are functioning. Lung function is normal or abnormal, you can sense, you can testing by the PFT, pulmonary function test. PLT, platelets, generally we can see in the prescription slip PLT coding. Platelets, one of the blood forming elements along with the white and red blood cells. Okay, the blood containing the white blood cells and red blood cells and also platelets. Okay, if it is WBC, white blood cells, RBC, red blood cells, PLT, platelet, simple. Okay, mostly the PLT checking in the clotting factor abnormality as well as dengue patients. PMI, point of maximum impulse of the heart when the felt during the examination, as in beats against the chest. Okay, we have in the chest region some areas is there for heart beating checking. 4 areas is there. Their maximum impulse where we are observing that point, we can mention PMI like dot, PMI dots, like they mention what is the area, like a sternal, fifth sternum or xiphoid fossa, some areas is there on the chest. The same way PMS, premenstrual syndrome, in the female menstrual syndrome, Okay, PMS, premenstrual syndrome, that is mostly irregular menstrual cycle female patients, we can writing like this one. PT, physical therapy or physiotherapy, we can write same way. PTH, parathyroid hormone. PTH, parathyroid hormone production of one parathyroid gland production one hormone, that is called the parathyroid hormone. PTSD, post traumatic stress syndrome. Post traumatic stress syndrome. PUD, peptic ulcer disease, a type of ulcer of the stomach. In the inside of the stomach, some of the ulcers will be formation. It is one of the type, peptic ulcer, that is a PUD. And medical abbreviations under the Q, Q dot D dot, each day, as in taken a medicine daily, each day, okay, each day we have to take one medicine, okay, that is the Q dot on D dot. Next one, QID, Q dot I dot D dot, 4 times daily, as in taking a medicine 4 times, for daily 4 times you have to take it, one medicine 4 times. Q2H, every 2 hours, Q2H, every 2 hours one medicine you have to take it, the coding of the medicine taken, these all things. And Q3H, every 3 hours, has taken medicine, okay, every 2 hours and every 2-3 hours. It means, for example, now I am taking one medicine, after 2 hours I have to take another medicine. If it is 3 hours, after 3 hours I have to take the medicine. Like the timing, mostly the drug therapy they are using these techniques. And the same way, continuation with last slide, Q medical abbreviations. QAM, each morning, as in taken a medicine each morning, QAM. QHS, each bedtime, at each bedtime means when you are going to sleeping night time you have to take the medicine. QOD, every other day, as in taking a medicine every other day, okay. And QPM, each evening, as in taking a medicine each evening. Now let's start related to medical abbreviations related to R. RA, rheumatoid arthritis, a type of the joint disease or joint disorder. RDS, respiratory distress syndrome. R by O, rule out. What is the mean by rule out? The doctors are frequently will rule out the various possible diagnosis when they figuring out the correct diagnosis. Reb, here Reb, R-E-B, rebounded, as in rebounded tenderness of the abdomen when the push in the then released, okay, when you are pushing abdomen it can be automatically released, that is the PEB. And the same continuation with the R medical abbreviations. RLQ, right lower quadrant, the appendix is located in the RLQ of the abdomen. In previous slide also I discussed in the quadrant either one of the reason of the abdominal studies. ROS, review of systems, an overall review concern relating to the organ symptom such as respiratory, cardiovascular and neurologic system, okay, review of the system. Matlab one patient went to the hospital with back pain, they are studying, they review the complete system of the spinal bones, okay, that is the ROS. Next, RUQ, right upper quadrant. The liver is located in the right upper quadrant, the quadrant region of the abdomen. Next, here, yes, medical abbreviations. Let's see here, example, S by P, small or S by small p, status post. For example, a person who had a knee operation would be S by P, a knee operation. Status of the post. After operation, what is the status of the knee? Okay, after operation, what is the status of the heart? After operation, what is the status of the chest or lungs? Okay, these things, when your short form is the S by P. SAD. Session affective disorder, a type of depression that occurs during the winter month with there is a little light. Okay, who are the patient having some particular problem? Okay, like blindness problem, or some people are mostly most of the people are getting the depression in the winter season because of the common cold or headache or pollution. That is the problem. That is called the SAD, seasonal affective disorder. Seasonally, every winter that person affecting that disease. Next, continue with the S medical abbreviation, SOB, shortness of breath. Okay, breathing shortness. Okay, the respiration problem. SQ, subcutaneous. SQ means subcutaneous. This is a typical notation when the noting or ordering an injection, okay, given into the fatty tissue under the skin, such as with the insulin or diabetic mellitus. Okay, here subcutaneous means skin, underneath the skin, not muscle, only skin. Some of the patients who are taking insulin for the diabetic treatment, as well as some medicines is there. Okay, like a vaccination also, subcutaneous, some of the vaccination. That is the example for the SQ, the short form. And medical abbreviations related to the T. Temperature, T, single T, temperature. Temperature is recorded a part of the physical examination, is one of the vital signs. And T on A, tonsillectomy and adenoctomy. This is the type of the surgery, removing one of the part, the tonsils removed, adenoid removed from the human body. That is the ectomy, tonsillectomy, T on A. And T dot I dot D dot, TED. 3 times daily, as taken medicine 3 times daily, like morning and afternoon and evening. 3 times you have to take it, TID. TAB, tablet. No need to write the tablet complete word, tab. In medical abbreviations. TAH, total abdominal hysterectomy. Total abdominal hysterectomy. This is one type of the surgery. And same way TAH, total abdominal hysterectomy. Same way, a type of the surgery, remove the woman's uterus and fallopian tubes and ovaries. Okay, it's a major surgery. During the any female having the abnormality of the fallopian tubes or uterus surgery, that time they are removing. And THR, total hip replacement. Okay, we have 2 hip bones is there. Okay, right and left. The completely one hip bone replacement. Okay, that is the THR. TKR, total knee replacement. Okay, knee joint replacement. TMJ, temporomandibular joint. Temporomandibular joint. This is the joint, mandibular joint. Next one, medical abbreviations related to UA or U by A means urine analysis. Mostly as a medical laboratory scientist or as a medical laboratory technician, you will get in prescription UA only. UA or U by A, urine analysis. a typical part of the comprehensive physical examination of urine. Next, U or capsule U or small u. Okay, caps U or small u. Unit means unit mistaken number 0 to 0 or 4 causing a 10-fold overdose or greater. For example, 4 units seen as a 40 or 4u seen as a 44. Mistake in cc, so the dose is given in value instead of unit. For their example, 4 units, okay, as a 4 cc, 4 unit or 4 cc. This is one type of the coding. And next, ULN, upper limits of normal. Upper limits of normal. In normal also some values is there, acceptable values is there, lower and higher. There is UL, upper limits of the normal. URI, upper respiratory infection of the sinusitis or the common cold. Upper respiratory means we have parts is there, respiratory tract, upper and lower. Lower means always the lungs. Upper means which are the organs related to the organs, which are the organs present in the here on the skull. In the skull, it should be related to the respiratory system, that is the upper. Mostly nose, nasal cavity, okay. UTDICT, duct, as a directed. As in taking up medicine according to the instructions that the health care professionals given on the office in the past. Okay, it is the UTDICT means medicines directed by the doctor. UTI, urinary tract infection, simply. Next, medical abbreviations related to V. VSS, vital signs are stable. This notation means that from a standpoint of the temperature, blood pressure and pulse, the patient is doing well. Vital signs are normal. Next, observation W, medical abbreviations. Weight, WT, short form is the WT, the observation is weight. Body weight is often recorded as part of the physical examination. And X, medical abbreviations related to the X, XRT, radiotherapy, external, a type of the treatment, okay, the type of the treatment of the radiation like X-ray. Students, for you I mentioned for exam important questions related to the this medical abbreviations. U medical abbreviations, L medical abbreviations and T medical abbreviation. I can ask you also related to the S also. I can ask a Y, V, everything. I will ask this each and every medical abbreviation is important. J to Z. For the these abbreviations here I was mentioned here the reference textbooks. You can follow this textbook and also we can get it the material from the Google also. You can check it. Thank you all my dear students. Thank you for your supporting.